Food is the most important thing of our health, for our living and to do our day-to-day work. We divide our daily meals into parts, consume them and get energy to live a healthy life. But with increased lifestyle changes and globalization of food industries, our food habit is changing gradually. With increased technology and research, the concept of balanced food is somewhere lost. Now we have a vast knowledge on what is a low carb, high protein food is, what is a low fat food is, etc. Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food, the Kitchen Talks, and today I'm going to talk about food that is going to increase our immunity in this changing season. So as I mentioned earlier, food being the most essential part of our life should not be taken granted in any ways. Today we are facing many lifestyle diseases that are simply caused by our diet and eating habits. With changing season, we are getting seasonal diseases and certain conditions that can be avoided by specific food and lifestyle changes. So this viral season, let's look at a few food and eating habits that will keep us healthy, happy and disease-free. So finally the winters are here and we should learn about the food that we should eat in this season. We all know that winter is the best season to get some of the best fruits like oranges, which contains vitamin C and helps to boost the immunity. Grapes, fig, apples, which are filled with vitamins. Berries like strawberry, blueberry, blackberry, cranberry, etc. Pear, pomegranate, etc. We get to see most of the citric fruits are available in this chilled season, which helps to fight infection, increase our stamina and boost immunity. So make sure to add a portion of fruit to your breakfast or snack every day. Fruits are tasty and can be consumed whole or by making salads, and due to eating them raw, we get all the necessary nutrients. Winters are also best to have some of the high nutrient-filled green leafy vegetables that keeps us healthy and disease-free, like spinach, which is a great source of vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, micronutrients such as iron and manganese. Other than this, the kale, mustard greens, collard greens, garden greens are also available. Also, we find some of the healthy root veggies like carrots, beetroot, which are filled with carb, antioxidants, beta-carotene, vitamin A, etc. We also get cabbage, cauliflower, nol col, which are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that helps to improve the digestion. During the seasonal change, insulin resistance is increased. As a result, our liver can increase fat production, and the adipose and non-adipose tissues can store this fat to get ready for the winter. In winter season, fat in our body takes more active part in burning energy and generating heat. Adding some amount of healthy fats can help our body to fight the changing season. Healthy nuts like almonds, walnut, pecan, pistachio, cashew, peanut, hazelnuts, etc. Fish like mackerel, salmon and whole eggs. Also try to include avocados, organic cheese, chia seeds and olive oil into your diet to complete the list of healthy fats. We all know that the proteins are the building blocks of our muscles, bones, skin, blood and cartilages. Our body also uses protein to repair the tissues, make enzymes, hormones, etc. So make sure to add the right amount of proteins to your food, including the legumes, different kind of beans, homemade, fresh cottage cheese, yogurt, chicken, eggs, fish, peanut butter, lentils, pumpkin seeds, quinoa, nuts, milk, whole grains, tofu, etc. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body, so make sure to have healthy carbohydrates to supply an adequate amount of carb needed to the body. Healthy carbs that we can include into our daily diet are the whole fruits like apples, grapes, bananas, cherries, peach, pineapples, etc. Root vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, beet, turnip, potatoes, leeks, radish, garlic, onion, salads, celery roots, etc. Also add some amount of whole grains, legumes, seeds, etc. to your daily diet. A little change in our daily diet can get us healthy. Add all the healthy food to your diet. But do not forget to drink sufficient amount of water. Eat in time and have a good sleep. A healthy body is a combination of good food, good sleep and exercise. As it is said that prevention is better than cure. So make sure to keep yourself and your family safe, disease-free and happy. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'm sure it was a bit informative. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Share the video with your loved ones and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. For health related articles, please visit my blog at www.being-foodie.com. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.